Welcome back. I'm kicking off a new build today, the high-grade RX-78-2. I'm really interested in this one because I have done the master grade on this one, and it's just curiosity. I want to see how the high and the master compare. So for this one, we're going to do an unbox. I'm sure I'll do my usual time lapse. We'll do a reveal, and then at the end, my thoughts and conclusions on the build process and the final model. As usual, the nice thing about the YouTube chapters, you can just skip over the bits you don't want to watch. So I will see you over at the workbench. Okay, so here we are over at the bench. Let's open this up. Looks like we have probably 4 or 5 trees, which is pretty typical of a high grade. The usual small number of sticker style decals. Our instructions, looks like we have got 4 pages of actual build. So this one should go pretty fast. Always love the examples of different poses you can get with the models. So should be fun, and we'll get to the build now. Okay, let's take a look at our final model. All right, now let's talk about this guy a little bit. I mean this as the sincerest level of praise I can possibly make it. This is what I expect from a high grade model. 100%. The fit, the finish is awesome. I mean, there's no parts falling off of this guy. There's nothing loose. I could probably drop him and it wouldn't even matter. The instructions, we'll say within the realm of Gundam, are really straightforward. There's a couple of plots in it I really like. It does a different section for left arm and right arm, a different section for left leg and right leg. As you get into the more complex Gundams, they do like this ×2 thing, because really the right arm and the left arm are the same until you get to like hands and shoulders. Then they're a little different. So the higher grades do like build this and then do it again. This one calls out different sections for each of them, which is definitely a lot easier to follow. Same kind of thing like these like caps on the knees and the elbows. In these instructions, it explicitly shows you where each one goes. You get into more complex grades, it'll show you like one side, and then there's like a little symbol that basically means do it on the other side. So again, as a beginner, that's confusing. I like how these call it out explicitly so you know to do it. The stickers, most part what you'd expect. Probably my only complaint with the model is that there's these two just itty bitty decals, and they fit like in a section on the head, which makes it really difficult. So not sure why they would put something quite so frustrating into a beginner model like this, but that is really my only complaint. If you were to come to me and say, hey, I am brand new to doing Gundams and I want the best model that's going to be the most fun to put together, the easiest, and going to end up with the best thing possible for the results, I would 100% tell you, grab this guy. And for the bonus, here's the master grade versus the high grade. Obviously, master grade is bigger. It has gimmicks, lots of moving little things on it that a high grade doesn't have. Way more details and a whole lot more decals on it. But kind of give you an idea if you're like, hey, the high grade was fun, let me try the master grade. This is what you'd be getting into. As always, leave me comments, leave me feedback. Always after bigger and better ways to do things. Thanks for watching.